Good morning, children. Let us continue yesterday's lesson, that is political life lesson 2. Yesterday I have explained for you about the prejudice. Prejudice means talking about negatively about the other region or religion or the caste, creed and etc. So today let us learn about the creating stereotype. What do you mean by the stereotype? And here we are separating the people like a boy or girl or religion and also the region and different treating different ways. That is the meaning of the stereotype, fixation of people into image which has no rational footing. So that means that the creating imagination in the people itself. For example, you can say that the girls no need to study and also the boys the great, and treating the boys and girls in different manner. The fixing of the girls one place and boys one place. Girls should play only the particular games or boys should be playing of football or etc. So the treating here in the people's minds creating one imagination, that is for example in previous days the girls there is no education for them. When they don't have the education they did not give important, and also there is a sati system also, it is there, child marriages are many, it is there. They treated boys and girls in different manner also. That imagination is fixed in the people's mind. In the same way, if you come to the male or female or region or religion, that it is showing in difference and fixing one imagination in the mind. The second point, if you see it, the stereotype, it does not give respect to the person or community. Once the people are fixing in mind, only boys are great and girls not great, they give more importance to only the boys. Now present, after the education system was developed, now the society is giving all the equal to the boys and girls also. Now if you see that the third one, it stops us looking at each person as a unique. That the person, it is when we separate community from, suppose the caste system it is there. In the caste system in before days, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Brahmins, Sudras, these are the people are there. They will be separating the low people to the separate community they are looking. Not only that, and in the suppose for example if you see the Muslim community not giving importance for the girls education, treating, and also they are fixing one imagination in mind, the girls education is not good, and present it is all are educated people only, but when we show the difference between male or female or one community or another community, and it will be developed in the person's mind only. It shows that separating from the community or the society. If you see the next one, it prevents us creating things that we might otherwise be good at, and it is creating in our minds what it is creating. Anyway, I am not great. When we treat indifference between one community another community, this community is not good, so it is creating in the people's mind that might be it is the good or bad, and they will be thinking whether I should do this work or not. So next one, it leads to the undergrowth of the personality and violence sometimes. Sometimes in a family only, the parents, if they are treating boy is great, girl is not great, there takes the some, suppose boy is going to the English medium or girl is not going to the school, then there takes the violence place. If the parents are giving importance to the boys and girls and both education also they are giving equality, there is no violence will not take place. So here when we show the stereotype, when we are showing fixing the some imagination in the mind, it creates the violence in the community or in the girls or in the boys, whatever it may be, it will be, when we show stereotype, it creates the people indifferences, and sometimes it may take the violence also. So present days, after the creating of constitution and the present fundamental rights given importance to all people. At those days, based on stereotype, they used to treat the people in different manner. The people also were developed in that community, same imagination wide. So next let us continue about the discrimination. What is the effect of the discrimination also? Let us continue in the next lesson.